Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well and trust you're having a good day. It is Hump Day, Wednesday, August 27th at 9:26 a.m. 4 minutes to the open here on New York. This is the daily frame, the Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow, the three sisters. You can see we have very small candles here, pretty small candles so far today. A little bit bigger than they were actually since we've been selling down for the last little while. But these are marginal up days, guys. We broke the prior day's high there, and even there on the Dow, and we have bearish bodies. So marginal up days, bearish bodies coming into the open here, and so anybody's guess as to where things are going to go from here. Of course, today is a big day. We have Nvidia earnings after hours, and the market can do funny things in advance of Nvidia earnings, including grinding sideways, meandering up and down, vacillating, oscillating, sleeping, grinding, chopping, or speculating wildly on what might happen after hours. So anybody's guess. This is my trading grid, guys, the daily 30-minute, 1-minute charts. Sometimes use the 30-second chart in the fast market, but it's usually the 1-minute chart. You'll notice here on my 1-minute chart, I'm showing the three open ranges from yesterday. Asian, London, and New York open ranges encapsulated in this tool right here. And we are driving down, guys, from today's Asian and London open ranges, which were stacked together here a little bit earlier on. As you can see, we pushed up through London and then drove down here in the pre-market here in New York. My 30-minute time frame is my zone time frame, guys. Horizontal zones here from Asia and London. This is yesterday, New York, guys. That rally up into this area and then grinding around ever since, and now selling down into this cleanish traffic area. We do have these two big wicks, so I wouldn't say clean traffic. This is more clean traffic down here, bearing in mind that wick, of course. And this is clean traffic up above. You see that there? That's what those arrows mean. They're not predictions on direction. I'll bring you back after we open. And there's the 1-minute open range, guys, and we are looking at approximately 27 points on the Nasdaq, not huge, and 3 points on the S&P. Very, very small here, guys. Lots of whipping here, but those are small movements. I'm going to be very patient here, guys. On the open, we are driving down 3 open ranges down below from yesterday, 2 open ranges up above, New York open range just opening and fixed right there as we just saw. Technical up day, but we are trading very much like an inside day here so far with a bearish body. I'm going to delete this marker now, guys, just to remind you that there is clean traffic up above, but I like to keep my charts nice and clean. I will delete this marker now from down here. I'll leave these for now. I'm going to be very patient here, guys. I likely won't do anything inside of this range, because the space from here down to the bottom here, guys, is only right there. It's very close. It's actually only 24 points from the bottom of that wick. So no shorts in through here. And I certainly wouldn't be going long inside of that pre-market candle. So I can tell you right now that my dynamic open range to begin with is this, guys. This is the starting point. And so as long as we are inside of my dynamic open range, I'll just put you on pause and bring you back later. All right, guys, just watching. Nothing for me to do here. I'm doing nothing inside of this range. And now we have a divergence, guys. We have the S&P hitting new session highs, and we have the Nasdaq hitting session lows. Nothing for me to do in this confused mess, guys. And so as long as we have the Nasdaq below the top of the open range and the S&P above the bottom of the open range, I will put you on pause. And so just looking at these charts, guys, you would swear this is a manic Monday or a really yucky Friday, right? But nope, it's just Nvidia day. Now that we've spent some time down here, guys, I'm going to remove my dynamic open range. We've kind of washed out the bottom here. That changes the landscape a little bit with this big 30-minute candle. Just bringing out a marker here, guys. not live. Just gonna let that go, guys. This is not a live order. This candle closes in 15 seconds. When it does, I'll place a buy stop order above the closed candle. 5 seconds. Stop below. This little pivot right here. This is and I'm in, guys. Long the NASDAQ. Here we go. This is a run back up into these pre-market highs, guys. I'm going to delete these open ranges to keep things nice and clean. 3-bar reversal, guys, on the 30-minute chart, breaking prior 30-minute candle high. After a big wide-ranging candle with a tiny body, big rejection bottom tail after breaking below prior day's body, coming back up again into the span of travel. And this is an up day, guys, in a bull market. New session highs for New York, of course, 9 above 21. EMA's formerly cleared the open range to the downside, now back up into and working on clearing the open range up above. And of course, all kinds of strength in the S&P hitting new highs here to help the NASDAQ along here to pull it up by its bootstraps. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits. The 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. And now we'll wait and see what happens to the rest of this trade. And target 2 has been hit, guys, and so the 1.5-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game as well. And there it is, guys. Finally, it took a whole lot of patience all through this chop and grind, and we almost got pulled all the way back here on the quick spike down, but it all worked out well. All 4 models fully profitable. Thanks for being here today, guys. Appreciate you. Have an amazing afternoon, and we'll talk soon.